Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. I am Human Dig Joe and in today's video I introduce you how to replace a fuse in a type e-ast inverter from Germany. The problem, there are no manuals which this is described. That's why I make this short video. All what you need is a screwdriver, means a cross screwdriver, size 2 till 3, maybe it's possible number 4, but better 2 till 3, and 2 fuse for replace with 30 ampere. These are fuses, flat fuses, like they are also used in cars. On every side of this inverter there is a screw, so in totally there are 4 screws to open. Be careful that you don't damage the screws themselves. Now open the screws, turn them to the left side. Later, for closing it, turn to the right side. As soon you open all 4 screws, you can slide the top of the box to the left side and open it. Be aware that you put these 4 screws to a safety place, that you don't miss them when you need them to close the box again. As usually, on the electronic plates, everything is very narrow with all these different items. But I show you with the screwdrivers these 2 green fuses just under this red and black cable. Now there are 2 30 ampere flat fuses, usually in the color of this green, and they are also used in cars very commonly. Use a plier to remove the fuse, but very carefully. Additionally, you can use this this yellow piece of plastic, which is also possible to retake these fuses. But anyway, very carefully, because you are working on an electronic print. If it was hard to take out the fuses of the socket, it is possible to squeeze a little bit with a flat screwdriver, that afterwards it is easier to put the fuses back in. Now you can put in the 2 new fuses, 30 amperes, slide the inverter to close and put on all the 4 edges the screws, turn them to the right, not too strong that you can open them easily again, and now your inverter is ready for using again. We're already at the end of this short video. If it was useful for you, then hit the like button and subscribe. Come back for other videos. Till then, take care, bye bye.